Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA T20 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's enter the Advanced and as you can see right under it we've got the backup option, so let's tap. Now let's tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's quite cool option and possibility that you do not have to enter the full email address. All you have to do is to simply enter the first part of it before the @ symbol. So let's tap on Next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the whole backup option. So here you can, you've got the information that you're able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to storage the apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. And here we've got also the information that your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. So if you want to back up the data right now, just tap on Turn On. If for some reason you don't want to do that, tap on Not Now. As you can see, we just go back to the system settings, and if, for example, after, I don't know, a day or an hour, you'd like to back up the data, just come back to those settings, tap on the backup, and as you can see, we will be transferred just to this particular step. So simply tap on Turn On, and as you can see we are in the backup. So here we've got the information about the storage, we can manage it. Here we've got some backup details and so on. So if you want to back up the data, just tap on Backup Now, and as you can see we've got the information. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the Google Backup, how to add the backup account to your NOKIA T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.